welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this effect in Adobe Photoshop just by using displacement maps. So it's a pretty cool one, and if I may say, pretty easy as well. So let's jump right into it. We're going to firstly start by creating a background. We're going to do that by unlocking it, grabbing our brush tool, make sure it's set to a soft brush. We're going to fill it with black, and then with a white brush, set the blending mode to difference, and you're just going to start painting these little dots. And as you can see, we get this really nice effect going on. You can add zigzags, you can try to make a pattern. We're trying to just make it as messed up as we possibly can. Once we're happy with how it's looking, if we want the distortion to go real crazy, we're gonna add noise to this. Maybe not 10%, but a little lower number, like 3 or 5 is gonna be good. And we're going to save this as a displacement map. We're saving this as a PSD file. Press OK. Now we can just hide this layer or just add our new background on top of this. You can write your text if that's what you want to distort, but you can also use the same effect on images or logos or whatever you want. The only thing we have to do now is go to Filter, Distort, Displace, Convert to Smart Object if it's not already, and we're going to start crazy with 500 by 500 maybe. We're going to select our displacement map, press open, and it's going to displace it, duplicate it, double click on the displace effect, and we're now going to do half of that, so 250. Select your map, do that again. I'll go with 100, duplicate again. I'll go by 50 by 50. One last time, let's go 10 by 10, and there you have it. You can change this color by just clicking color overlay and making it white, but you get the point. It's just such a cool effect. I spent so much time playing around with these, creating new displacement maps, trying to figure out new ways of using them, and the possibilities are endless. So be sure to try this effect out. Try creating a bunch of different displacement maps and have fun with it. Hope you guys loved this tutorial, and I'll see you soon. Bye!